Be Seen is the latest release in the brand's first unisex basketball line, designed with input from female athletes on the Jumpman roster. Perfect for the summer hoops season, this bold sneaker blends standout aesthetics with performance-ready features. Its eye-catching colorway combines elements from previous versions, featuring a vivid hot punch upper complemented by laser orange, cyber, soft lavender, and photo blue accents on the TPU cage. Performance-wise, the shoe includes a Cushlon 3.0 drop-in midsole and supportive containment cage, ensuring it's more than just a fashion statement. Built for impact both on and off the court, the Jordan Heir continues to push boundaries with its inclusive design and striking style. The Be Seen edition is now available on Nike.com for $115, delivering both flair and function in one standout package.